Here we go. It's almost ready. Ready? Wait. Okay, close the door. No, close it all the way. Close it all the way. Close it. No, you gotta close it all the way. Hit it harder. Almost. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Which one? You want that? You want those? Or do you want these? I'll give you these. Just because it's easier because I'm holding the camera. Alright, that's it. Bye-bye. Go away. Leave me. Get out of the kitchen. Go in the living room. Go. Go. You're not getting my french fries. Go in the living room. That's it. Bye-bye.